Hello, in this video, we will introduce inner classes. We already looked at the inner class in the preceding video when we create the enlarge handler. That is the class to create a handler for the enlarge button listener. So this, we use it, we put the class inside the class, so that's inner class. So let's look at more now about the inner class. So you can define these two classes in one file, they're separate. So this is, they're put in one file, but they're separate classes. And if you put this class A inside the test, so this class A becomes inner class. So the inner class can access all the data members of all the members of the data fields and the methods of the test class. So here's another example now. Let's see this right here. You have a data. And so here's the inner class. Inside the inner class, you can access this data. And this is the method M. You can invoke method M. So that's inner class. A couple of things about inner class is an inner class is compiled into a class named outer class name $ inner class name dot class. So for example, A is the inner class of test. You're going to have this test $A dot class in the compiled file. An inner class can reference the data and the methods defined in the outer class in which it nests. So you need not pass the reference of the object of the outer class to the constructor of the inner class. So for this reason, inner classes can make programs simple and concise. An inner class can be defined with visibility modifier subject to the same visibility rules applied to a member of the class. So inner class is actually just a member of the outer class. An inner class can be defined as static. Objects of inner class are often created in the outer class. However, you can also create an object of inner class from another class. So let's look at this here. You can have this outer object dot new inner class to create an instance just for the inner class. That is all for the inner classes. See you on the next video.